This smart little thing didn't water when it was raining out. Do you dream of a world where your lawn just waters itself perfectly without even you having to think about it? Well, folks, your green thumb prayers have been answered. Today, we're deep diving into the AIPER IrriSense smart irrigation system. This isn't your granddad's sprinkler timer. We're talking app-controlled custom watering map and a mind-blowing simple 15-minute DIY installation. Seriously, if you can assemble an IKEA shelf, and let's be honest, half of us struggle with that, you can install this bad boy. This sleek gray system covers up to a massive 4,800 square feet, adapts to the weather, and get this, it's designed to save you water. So if you're ready to ditch the crispy lawn and impress your buddies with the greenest grass on the block, stick around, because we're about to put the IrriSense to the test. Let's go do that. All right, so I thought I'd wrap up this conversation. Let's go visit the unit. So a couple things that I definitely wanted to tell you about it. It works ridiculously perfect. Over here on the side yard, I set up this crazy thing, right? Because I have it here. I didn't want to water my neighbor's generator, but I wanted to water all the way down there, and I didn't want to water my generator. So it was like short here, really short along this part of the yard, but then shooting it all the way down there. So we tested it all, and it has worked flawlessly perfectly. Additionally, this smart little thing didn't water when it was raining out. So the app worked perfectly. The scheduling, I've seen some people complain that it took a little long to set up the map. It took me like 5 minutes. It was so simple, so easy. I had no issues whatsoever. If you're looking to automate your irrigation and you don't have a giant piece of property, even if it's like an ornate crazy shape, this is definitely a great option for you. If you want to get one, there's a link here on the screen or down there below. Doesn't cost you anything extra to use it, but helps out the channel a little bit, so I'm going to say thank you in advance. If I've added value here with this conversation, please give the video a like, maybe share it with a friend, and if you have any questions, let us know. I'll do my best to answer those for you. I hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.